Okay, let's say you're one of the lucky ones and you managed to get a Tesla that has AI4 hardware in it and it has FSD. The good news is you can run FSD 14. And in theory, when they come up with the robotaxi and they allow you to add to the fleet, you should be able to. Okay? That is the case with my Model 3 right here. My Model 3 has AI4. So that's good. However, there's some rumbling about on the robotaxi side that they want you to have Model Y. I don't know, we'll see what happens, right? But for now, this is a sweet spot. Does it have all the latest improvements? No, it doesn't. And the same thing applies if you have a Model Y. Even if you got your Model Y last week, you don't have all the improvements. Actually, you have the damn, don't you? All right, so for those of you not knowing what that is, up here's the cameras are here, and then there's a covering that fits over from the back. Right here, there's an opening. And apparently with the brand new Model Ys, they've changed it so that is now blocked off. And so the gases from your dashboard cannot get up into there. It's one of the things they found that they need to improve. Okay? But anyway, here's the way I look at it is it can run FSD 14, it can run Robotaxi. Okay? Now, there might come a point in the future where, oh, whoops, it's not so great. Okay. Now, specifically for the Model 3, let me say this about the Model 3. If you're somebody who has problems getting in and out of a vehicle, a Model 3 may not be the one you want to have. If you're in that category, consider getting a Model Y. You should always go test, right? Go test before you buy. Okay. So the other thing is, and I always remember to forget, sorry, there's some traffic going on around me. If you're somebody who's really looking for a more mobility-friendly situation, a Model 3 may not be for you because it may be hard to get into. Okay, same kind of thing, but okay. It's just something to consider. Okay, but in this case, I have this. Now, you can find a used Model 3 or used Model Y with AI4 in it, or hardware 4. I think for Model Ys, it came in June of 2023, something like that. So if you're buying a used Model Y, just try to make sure it has AI4 in it. The Model S and the Model X, they got AI4 a reasonably long time ago. So they're in good shape. Of course, they're going to stop making Model S's and Model X's, so it's kind of iffy, right? It's up to you, right? So if you're in my position, you have Model 3 with AI4, you have all the basics you need to be able to run FSD. Okay? It pulls out of the garage, it parks in a parking lot, it backs out of parking spaces in the parking lot, all that kind of stuff. It does all that. Okay? So it's actually pretty good. So there you go. If you're asking me to recommend you get a Model 3, only get a Model 3 if you want the sedan format and you can't live with the Model Y. Okay? If you can live with the Model Y, go Model Y. Okay, there you go.